There are some designing tips that you are supposed to check when you design your printing files. Number 1. Convert a stroke to shape. To do this, first, select a line. Then from Object menu, select Expand. In this page, click on OK. Now you can see that your line has been changed to shape. Number 2. Convert font to shape. If you don't change your fonts to shape, then when opening your file in other systems, you will see this error. To avoid this problem, select your font. Then click on Type and select Create Outline. Number 3. Don't use frame. Due to cutting tolerance in group sheet jobs, we strongly recommend not to use frame in your designs. Number 4. Don't use RGB or Pantone colors. Color mode in printing is CMYK. Therefore, do not use RGB mode or Pantone colors. To do this, click on New File and in Color Mode menu, select CMYK color. Thank you for watching.